What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about another play that I thought was pretty interesting. And the reason why I think it's interesting is because when I first got started into crypto, there were two investments that I made. The first investment was Dogecoin, and the second investment was Safemoon. Safemoon was a play that a lot of people really wanted to see work because I'm a big fan of burns. I understand having a deflationary aspect on something and how impactful that could be. But we didn't really see that all come to fruition. We didn't see that come into the light and be what we thought it was going to be. And a lot of people were upset with that. I was upset with that. I didn't invest a crazy amount. I think I invested like $200 to start with because I invested $100 into Dogecoin and made a lot with Dogecoin and all of that. I think it may be that way. It might have been, turned around. I might have invested in the Safemoon first, but I only invested like $100 or $200 into it and was looking to turn it into something larger because you invest a little bit, you're looking to burn off a lot, and you make a lot of money from it, right? Well, it didn't turn out to be the way that we thought it was going to be. And this project, Operation Phoenix, is a project that's trying to be what Safemoon was supposed to be for all of us. And I hope that that's really the case. Now, take everything I say with a grain of salt, right? I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is the best thing since sliced bread, but you have the opportunity to see that, right? And maybe they do have this little bit of an opportunity to actually be that, and you never really know. A lot of people didn't know what Shiba Inu was going to be. A lot of people didn't know what Dogecoin was going to be. And a lot of people don't know what Operation Phoenix is going to be. So take it all with some sort of positivity, as well as understanding, maybe the negative impacts that could be with it as well. Just make sure you understand all sides of it and do your own research into it, because I can only provide a certain amount of information. And I also only have my own perspective. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, we have a bunch of links for Operation Phoenix down below if you want to check them out and do the research for yourself. I definitely implore you guys to do the research yourself. But let's go ahead and jump into it. So Operation Phoenix. Operation Phoenix, let's jump into what it's all about, the mission and everything. For many of us, Safemoon was our entry into crypto. And I mean, it might have been, I don't really remember. We all spent countless hours shilling Safemoon on Twitter and watching our favorite YouTubers talk about Safemoon. I made probably 3 or 4 videos about Safemoon. Unfortunately, for many holders, the dream of Safemoon making them financially independent never came to fruition. The mission of Operation Phoenix is simple: to become what Safemoon should have been. And honestly, it is very, very simple, and I hope that they can do that. So sell less DEX. You have with Phoenix Swap contract sells become a thing of the past. When a project holds LP on Phoenix Swap, taxes are distributed at the time of the transaction instead of storing them into the contract to sell later, keeping that nasty red line off the chart, and community moral high, or morale high. Staking, they have a 30-day stake, 14-day stake at 50 and 10% respectively. You are looking at 14-day staking you would see, and 30-day staking. If you decided to emergency withdraw, it would be 25% fee that is there. A launch pad where tokens will be whitelisted and can only launch with the approval of Operation Phoenix. Once approved, the project will have access to Operation Phoenix community, top crypto YouTubers, CEX listing, and more. The NFT launchpad where you can launch your own NFTs. You have merch. You have a wallet. Operation Phoenix wallet will be a multi-chain wallet and truly decentralized, kind of like a MetaMask or Trust Wallet or something like that. The blockchain will offer the same sell less tech that comes from the DEX, which is definitely a good thing. Now they do have their DEX, which is a Phoenix Swap. If you go into Phoenix Swap, let me see if I can go here. Here it is. It's very simple, kind of what you would have here. You would connect your wallet. You would basically swap whatever you need to swap, and go from there. Now I did want to check the chart as well. The chart I mean, looks pretty healthy with the movement. What's this date? February 1st. So really just from this day, because I believe it's only like a day old or maybe, yeah. And we're seeing this, kind of increase from this time period because it has launched, I believe today. I believe that was the day that it launched. We are seeing the movement, positive movement. We're seeing it at a $2.6 million market cap with $120,000 worth of liquidity, 100 million coins in supply, and you're looking at the total supply of 100 million coins as well. Meaning that it is fully diluted already, which is definitely a good thing in my book. I always look for that. If we look at the deck score, 94 out of 99. You do have, I guess, one concern, which would be the sell tax. That is about 9%, buy tax of 5%. And as you see the information that goes into there, as you see that, we'll go through all the white paper and different pieces of that. But deck score of 94 out of 99 is definitely good. I did want to look at the contract. I always like to look at all these different things to see how it is and if it is legit. Now, from what I've heard, where this crossed my desk from, they are extremely confident in the people that are behind it. So, if I'm confident in that person, they are confident in them. I mean, I have to be a little bit more confident than I would be in some other projects that I don't know who those devs are, or I don't have any type of connection in any way to knowing who they are, right? But currently, you're seeing 100 million coins in the max supply, the circulating supply, with about 500 holders. You have these holders, you have a contract address at 35%, you have another contract address at 16%, but really no red flags at all. You have a pancake swap, you have the liquidity pool, and you have, 2%, 1%, and so on and so forth, right? That's where it stands. So no real major, like any red flags at all within the contract and the holders and all that stuff. Now I did want to look at the white paper just to kind of break down the distribution. So you have pre-sale, so supply and tokenomics. You have pre-sale 40 million, Pancake Swap 9 million, DEX 9 million, CEX 15 million, staking 15 million, lock is 12 million. So that equals out the 100%. Sell tax is 5%, 4% to marketing, 1% to LP. And then buy tax is 5%. 4% to marketing and 1% to LP. So, I mean, what they have going for them, it looks like, they have some hype and attention behind them, because typically if you see something launch and it doesn't have any type of buy volume or anything, it's sitting at a multi-million-dollar market cap with, a lot of volume, that is going through it so far, $400,000 worth of volume. And then they're looking to, launch on CEXs and all that stuff. So I think take in as much information as you can, go into the white paper, read all about the launchpad, read all about the merch, read all about the NFT launchpad, whatever, right? Read all about everything that they have. And I want you guys to do your research if you are looking to invest into this project. It definitely seems interesting. And again, I'm not going to tell you like whether I purchase or not. I just want you guys to, look at it and see if it is something that fits maybe in your wallet or in your portfolio. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to see or research any of this information, I will provide all the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.